Welcome to a true masterpiece of compact luxury. As we approach this 2021 Newmar New Aire 3543, you immediately notice the stunning presence of a high-end diesel pusher, but in a much more manageable 35-foot, 10-inch package. To your right, the Zeit 360-degree camera system provides a bird's-eye view of your surroundings, while the passenger-side navigation monitor allows your co-pilot to assist with the journey without distracting the driver. Moving into the main living area, you are surrounded by the sophisticated Souris decor and handcrafted Sable Maple high-gloss cabinetry. One of the best features is hidden right beneath your feet. Electric radiant heat below the tile flooring, ensuring you stay comfortable regardless of the season. The layout features opposing slides that open up a spacious living room, complete with a comfortable hide-a-bed sofa for guests and auto-motion power window shades throughout for instant privacy. In the kitchen, this all-electric coach offers a residential experience with no propane required. You have a convenient dishwasher in a drawer to make cleanup easy, and a slide-out Dometic 1.35 cubic foot freezer for extra storage. Staying connected is simple thanks to the SkyPro LTE Wi-Fi router and a universal toll module for seamless travel. As we move toward the rear, we pass the midship bathroom, which features a beautiful tile shower. The master bedroom is a private sanctuary, boasting a true king-size bed, measuring 72 by 80 inches. A rare find in a coach of this length. For the perfect night's sleep, it is equipped with a Sleep Number Premier Air mattress. You also have the convenience of a splendid two-piece stacked washer and dryer, making long-term touring a breeze. Now, let's head back outside to see how this coach handles life at the campsite. For outdoor living, the Girard Nova Power Awning Package creates a massive shaded footprint at the touch of a button. You can enjoy the big game or a movie on the 43-inch UHD exterior sidewall TV, while the LED lighting under the slide-outs sets the perfect evening mood. Storage is plentiful, with multiple pass-through slide-out trays on both the left and right sides, making it easy to reach all your gear. For utility, the RV Sanacon Turbo Macerator system makes tank management faster and cleaner than ever before. Finally, Newmar's signature egress door, with an integrated ladder system, provides an extra layer of safety and peace of mind. This coach is finished with Newmar's signature masterpiece full-body paint in a special order color scheme that gives it incredible depth and curb appeal. This is where the New Aire truly shines. It is built on a Spartan 450 horsepower chassis, providing the kind of power and stability you usually only find in much larger coaches. Sitting in the 6-way power driver's seat, you have total control with Comfort Drive adaptive steering, which makes handling this coach effortless. For safety, you are backed by the OnGuard collision mitigation and adaptive cruise control system. Is widely regarded as one of the finest compact luxury diesels ever built, offering big coach technology with small coach maneuverability. To view all the photos, see the MSRP and complete details of this stunning motorhome, click the link in the description below.